Have you ever dreamed of earning money effortlessly with just a few clicks? Today, that dream becomes a reality. In this video, we're going to build out a website that pays you in minutes using DeepSeek, a brand new AI tool that's so powerful, you have to see it to believe it. And the best part? Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world, no matter what your skill level is, thanks to the power of AI. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities and start earning today. First, let's dive into what DeepSeek really is. Imagine a tool that helps you do tough tasks easily. That's DeepSeek for you. It's a type of artificial intelligence, or AI, which means it's a computer program designed to think and learn like a human. What's amazing about DeepSeek is that it simplifies things that usually take a lot of time and skill. So, whether you're just starting out and technology seems a bit overwhelming, or you're already good with computers, DeepSeek is here to help. It works for everyone, everywhere. No need to be in a big office or a specific country. You can use it right from your home or anywhere you are. Today, we're going to use DeepSeek to create a website, but not just any website, the kind that starts working for you almost immediately. DeepSeek will guide us through setting up a website that not only looks great, but also begins to make money in just a few minutes. It's like having a magic wand that builds everything for you. Let's see how this amazing tool can turn your ideas into income without all the usual hassle. Next up, let's talk about choosing your niche, which basically means picking the area you want to focus on for your website. To start, you need a good idea. In our video, we'll use the solar industry as an example, specifically in Winter Garden, Florida. Why the solar industry, you might ask? Well, it's because it's growing rapidly and there's a lot of money to be made there. Choosing the right niche is crucial because it determines the type of customers you'll attract and how much you can earn. The solar industry is a great pick because more and more people are looking for eco-friendly and cost-saving energy options, which makes it a profitable market. You're free to pick any industry that interests you or one that you think has a lot of potential. It could be anything from fashion to technology to home services. The key is to choose something that not only interests you, but also has a demand in the market. This way, you'll be more engaged with your project and it'll also have a better chance of success. So think about what excites you and where you can make your mark. Now that you've picked your niche, it's time to build your website, and for that, you need a reliable platform. This is where Hostinger comes in. Hostinger is a web hosting service that makes it super easy and affordable to set up your own website. It's a great choice for anyone, especially if you're watching your budget. Starting at just $3 a month, Hostinger offers various plans, so you can choose one that fits exactly what you need without paying for extras you won't use. Choosing the right plan depends on what you plan to do with your site. Hostinger has options ranging from basic to more advanced plans with extra features. Think about what you need. Maybe you want more space as your site grows, or maybe you need multiple email accounts. Whatever your needs, Hostinger makes it easy to get started without breaking the bank. Let's get your website up and running with Hostinger. Let's move on to the most exciting part, actually building your website. Hostinger isn't just affordable. It also comes with a powerful tool to make creating your site incredibly easy. An AI website builder. This tool is a game changer, especially if you're not a tech expert. Here's how it works. First, you'll choose a domain name for your site. Think of the domain as your website's address on the internet. It's how people find you online. Once you have your domain, you'll set up your hosting with Hostinger. Hosting is like renting space on the internet to store your website so that it can be accessed by anyone around the world. Next, you get to use the AI website builder. This isn't just any tool, it's designed to be super user-friendly. You don't need to know how to code or design. The AI takes over, helping you put together your site by just following some simple steps. It guides you through the setup, asking for your preferences and automatically creating a site that looks professional and is tailored to your needs. With Hostinger's AI Builder, you'll see your website come to life faster than you might believe possible. It's really that straightforward. After your website is all set up, the next step is to attract people to it and turn them into leads. A lead is basically a potential customer who shows interest in what you're offering. In our case, that means people interested in solar energy solutions. Using AI technology, we can effectively drive traffic to your site. Traffic just means the number of people visiting your website. More traffic means more potential customers, and more customers mean more opportunities to make money. The AI helps by targeting people online who are searching for solar solutions or have shown interest in similar topics. Once these visitors are on your site, we want to capture their information. This usually means getting them to fill out a form with their contact details, like their name, phone number, or email. This way, you can follow up with them later. These leads, people who've given you their information because they're interested in solar solutions, are very valuable. You can then sell these leads to local solar companies who are looking for new customers. These companies are often willing to pay well for reliable leads, which means more profit for you from your new website. Now that you've collected leads, meaning you have contact information from people interested in solar energy, it's time to turn those leads into cash. This step is about selling those leads to local solar companies who are eager to find new customers. When you sell a lead, you are essentially selling the information of a potential customer who has already shown interest in solar solutions. This is very valuable to solar companies. They need these leads to grow their business by reaching out to potential customers who might buy their products or services. By providing them with leads, you save them the time and effort it takes to find these customers themselves. The process of selling leads is straightforward. You'll contact solar companies in your area, or even extend your reach to other locations, and offer them the leads you've generated. Discuss how many leads you have, what kind of information you've collected, and how recent the leads are. You can negotiate a price per lead or a bulk price for multiple leads. Using AI to generate these leads means the process is efficient and effective, increasing the value of the leads to the companies. I'll guide you through how to approach these companies, set up meetings, and close deals that are profitable for you. Once you start seeing some earnings from your first website, it's time to think bigger. This is called scaling up. Scaling up means expanding your successful model to increase your income. With the help of DeepSeek, you can do this by replicating what you've already done in other industries or different locations. For example, if you started with a website for the solar industry in Winter Garden, Florida, you might next try creating a website for home improvement services in Miami, or even start targeting solar customers in another state. The idea is to repeat the successful strategy you've already used, applying it to new markets. Each new website you build can act like a new source of income, often called a passive income stream. Passive income is great because it means you continue to make money with little ongoing effort after the initial setup. The more websites you create, the more of these income streams you can develop. Using AI such as DeepSeek makes this process efficient. AI can handle tasks quickly and accurately, allowing you to set up multiple websites in less time than it would take without technological assistance. This smart use of technology helps you reach more people and significantly boost your earnings. When selling these leads to businesses, make your offers hard to resist. Highlight the quality and relevance of your leads and show how they can help businesses grow. Be clear about the benefits and offer competitive prices. Don't forget to use the Google Doc I mentioned to help organize your tasks and keep track of your progress. This tool can save you time and streamline your operations, making your business more efficient and more profitable. Follow these tips and you'll see your efforts pay off in more leads and higher earnings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss more great content like this.